Hola chicos, so here is us creating the answer key. This is going to be the answer key for your homework last night. I know some of you might just look at the answer key and you're fine. Some of you like to hear a little bit of an explanation. So let's go ahead and we're going to do this in two parts. So one video is going to be the top half, one video will be the bottom half, and we'll just kind of take it from there. That way you can use the one that you need when you need it. So let's start with unscrambling the words and writing complete logical questions. Well, starting off, we always know that no matter what's happening, we are going to throw in our upside down question mark first. That's going to be the first thing. So let's look. We have la hora fiesta es, or sorry, ask. Well, clearly this is a question about time, and when we ask time about a time happening, something happening in the future, we use a que hora. So we're going to start there. A que hora. So at what time? A que hora. Make sure you're adding that accent mark over the E and K. Interrogative words always have a question mark. We're left with la fiesta es. Well, we know that la and fiesta have to go side by side. Es is your verb, so a que hora es is la fiesta. La fiesta. At what time is the party? Finish it off with a question mark. All right. Number 2, we've got chica de es la Puerto Rico. Well, we don't have an interrogative word here, so we know that we're going to have to go verb subject. Search for your verb. Es is, oops, upside down question mark always goes first. Okay, is what? Well, we've got la chica, the girl. La chica, that will be your subject. So when we're doing a question, it's going to be verb, then the subject, rather than la chica es. It's es la chica. We just flip-flop them. And then we are left with de Puerto Rico. Es la chica de Puerto Rico. Is the girl from Puerto Rico? Question mark. All right. Let's look at the next one. Número 3. Estamos la Carlos y yo biblioteca porque en. Well, we have an interrogative word, so that's going to be our starting point after our introverted question mark. ¿Por qué? That goes first. ¿Por qué? Well, once again, when we do questions, we do verb subject. So we're looking for the verb. Estamos, we know this is a nosotros form of the verb, so clearly the subject that goes with it has to be Carlos y yo. It can't be biblioteca. You would never say la biblioteca estamos. You would say Carlos y yo estamos, but you're going to put estamos first. So estamos, I'm going to run out of room, so we're going to go down here. Carlos y yo, what am I doing? Got me all excited. Carlos y yo. So, ¿por qué estamos Carlos y yo? Why are Carlos and I? Well, what are we left with? En la biblioteca. In the library. Apparently this kid has no idea what he's doing. En la biblioteca. So why are Carlos and I in the library? Okay? And we have it's the same order as in English anyway. Why are Carlos and I in the library? For the most part, when you use that interrogative word, in English, you're going to have that already inverted word order. There's going to be times where we add that do or does, like we've talked about in class, but otherwise, it's going to be almost the same thing. We do it in English, you just don't think about it. Let's look at number 4. We've got la de cuando español es clase. Well, we clearly have an interrogative word, cuando. So after our inverted question mark, that's where we're going to start. Cuando, accent mark over the A in cuando. All interrogative words have accent marks. Well, now we need the verb and then the subject. Well, let's see. The verb is es. Cuando es. When is. Well, when is? When is what? La de español clase. You know the parts. La clase de español. That's a chunk of a phrase you should recognize. When is Spanish class? Cuando es la clase de español? Last but not least, number 5. Una fantástica donde fiesta hay. Ooh. We've got an interrogative, donde. So, inverted question mark. Donde what? Donde, now we need a verb. Where's our verb? Hay. Donde hay. Where is there? I'm left with una fantástica fiesta. Una and fiesta go side by side. Articles go with their nouns. Una fiesta. Fantástica would be the adjective that describes it. Question mark, and there we go. So, ¿a qué hora es la fiesta? At what time is the party? Es la chica de Puerto Rico? Is the girl from Puerto Rico? ¿Por qué estamos? Why are Carlos y yo, Carlos and I, en la biblioteca? In the library? I don't know why you're there. ¿Cuándo es? When is la clase de español? Spanish class. So when is Spanish class? ¿Y dónde hay? Where is there? Una fiesta, a party, fantástica. So that will be the top half. So there you go on that one. Check out the next video if you want to see the explanation of the bottom half.